Hi, I'm Ajit Mohan, Chief Business Officer at Snap. In Q3, we made meaningful progress on our strategy to deliver better performance for advertisers and drive sustainable growth. Revenue increased 10% year over year to over $1.5 billion, driven by improved advertising demand and direct revenue from Snapchat Plus. Small and medium-sized businesses are continuing to drive disproportionate growth in our ad revenue, highlighting that the most frugal businesses are seeing the results of the material improvements we are making in our ad platform. They were our largest contributor to ad revenue growth in Q3, driven by new advertiser onboarding, improved tools, and streamlined go-to-market execution. And we are continuing to scale unique ad formats and offerings such as sponsored snaps, promoted places, and the app Power Pack. Sponsored snaps is our newest ad format that allows brands to join conversations in real time. And the results from this new format have been super exciting. They're driving up to 22% more conversions and 19% lower cost per action in early results. Partners like A6 and eBay are leveraging sponsored snaps to reach millions of Snapchatters in ways that feel authentic and relevant. We're also seeing strong impact from promoted places, which is delivering double-digit visitation lifts in early testing for partners like Panda Express. And early results from our newest product suite, the app Power Pack, show that it's driving over 25% lift in app installs for early adopters. And with AI-powered offerings like Smart Targeting and Smart Budget, our automated solutions are making it easier than ever for advertisers to optimize campaigns and scale efficiently. Overall, we remain focused on making our ad platform even more performant and more automated to help partners achieve better outcomes. And it's not just our results that tell the story. According to Kantar, Snapchat is now the second most preferred platform for consumers. And we also saw a 4% increase in consumer preference, making us the only brand among leading platforms to grow year over year. It's proof that our focus on real connections continue to set us apart, and we are excited to keep this momentum going. Thank you.